Hello beautiful people and welcome back. My name is Maryam and this channel is all about inspirational lifestyle. If today is your first time of joining us, you're highly welcome. Please subscribe and let's go DIY. You're welcome back guys. So on today's episode is all about DIY. Do it yourself. Oh yes. So it's all about our eyelashes, those damaged eyelashes, those eyelashes you've kept somewhere and you don't want to use again. Guys, go get them out right now. Yes, you can still make use of them after washing them by following these steps here. Okay, so let's get started. Here is a cup of warm water, and you can as well use any of your dishwasher, just like a spoon or thereabout, just to get it out, the dirt out from the lashes. So after that, try to separate your lashes from each other. Okay, don't let them cluster together. Separate them and keep them individually. As you can see, look at how dirty and the glues, mascara, all of those stuff that makes us pretty. Just dip the lashes in the water and allow it to rest for like 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how bad the lashes is. And here this is already resting. Guys, let me tell you something. There is nothing that is a waste in this life. It depends on how we manage our stuff. Okay, so after 10 few minutes, like 3 minutes, I came back and this is what I'm doing. I'm just removing all the glues, the mascara, and all of that. You just have to be careful with that. You have to be tender with your hands because the lashes are very tender, they're soft, they're delicate. If you're not careful, you're going to eventually pull off the hair and you wouldn't want to let that happen. Okay, so just carefully be patient with this process. Just take your time, be patient, and just try to remove them. Massage the lashes very gently and remove the glue, the mascara. Just repeat this step as many times as you can, provided you're achieving your result. And this is it. This is really working very well, guys. This is working absolutely well, and I'm just being so careful with this. So just go get out your lashes and try this with me. And if you're yet to subscribe, please go subscribe, guys. Go subscribe. Let's do this together. And I've just changed the water to a cleaner water so I'll be able to see more clear, to see how far we've gone with the lashes. And obviously you can see it's coming out pretty well and I'm loving it. Yes, I'm gonna reuse my lashes. Yeah, I don't really like to waste. Try to reuse my thing. Yeah, so here we have I'm gonna use one of those to just try to keep them straight in, because after washing them they might cluster together, so you just have to brush them out. The way you brush them out is the way they're gonna sit, so you just have to brush them out, guys, gently. And here we go, our lash is back to life. Oh my goodness, these lashes are back to reality, guys, and they're looking so pretty. Yeah, and don't forget to keep yours in the case that it came with, or you could as well get somewhere your eyelashes box or somewhere you keep your eyelashes for them to sit and dry up. And after a few minutes you can as well use them and look all glam up again. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please kindly subscribe, like, share, comment below, and let's just do this together. I love you all. Thank you. Bye.